watch how I did the board cap method and the frontal installation on this cute colored wig. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe while you're at it.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I gotta do it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy and I am a hairstylist based in Abuja. I make videos here on YouTube, mainly hair videos, DIY, vlog. So if you're open to those kind of content, please keep on watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please guys, don't forget to watch to the end of the video to see the process of this hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm going to be installing this wig. It is a high fiber wig. It takes to the highest heat of my straightener and my curler. Like, this is really good because I know some fiber hairs that do not take high heat. I know, I've seen them, I've styled them. But I altered this hair in the T-parts frontal. I don't know why I did that, but I did. And I was so annoyed because it was going to limit me from styling so many styles. So I went ahead to attach and ventilated it into a 13x4 frontal. Yes, because I can. I did that because I can. First of all, I'm going to oil my hair because my hair is very dry. As you can see, my braids is almost not showing anymore. So I'm going to be doing the board cap method, and I'm using these socks because it's anti-hose actually, because it's very light. It's lighter than the usual 2-in-1 wig cap, so it tends to melt faster and blends well. As you can see, I've used this one before. I didn't want to waste it because I normally don't do board cap method anytime I'm installing my frontal because it's just too much work. And I don't do that, so I just go straight to the installation. I'm going to use my hair wax. I use hair wax because it's very thick and it just makes the edges to like lay better compared to the normal edge control. If you don't have edges like me, you have to like do this gently so it doesn't make your edges too cut. So it is advisable not to put glue on your board cap because it doesn't dry fast, number one, and it makes it a little bit tacky. But for me, I don't put glue on this side. I only put glue here because this place always leaks anytime I'm using a normal spray. So I put glue just here and I apply holding spray around here. That's just what I do. So this is the Ghost Bond glue. It's not as strong as the normal glue I use for my install. So I'm just going to put this here, just around here. This is the holding spray. I just put into a little bottle because it's too big for me to carry for my work. So I just take a little bit and I spray. You can also use the got-to-be spray, but I don't want to use that for today's video. Honestly, I don't think board cap method is really important, but I feel it is because it helps to protect your edges. Because instead of putting glue directly on your edges, the board cap method helps to protect it even more. I'm going to blow drying it with warm temperature. No, I'm going to be drying with a cold temperature, not a hot temperature. So I'm trimming the excess cap after the holding spray gets dry so that I can continue with my installation. So I'm going to clean the residue with my wipes. I'm going to match the board cap with my skin. I'm going to use my foundation. I'm not putting too much because if the glue doesn't dry properly, it doesn't look good. So I'm not going to put in too much foundation. Because even on a normal day, I wear my wig cap inside my wig. And I always apply my foundation. If it's a middle pattern, I'll apply my foundation in the middle so that it can actually blend well It's just weird wearing a colored wig cap and it shows inside. Like, it's not giving. It doesn't give that way. So I'm going to be cutting the lace now, and you don't cut straight ahead, you cut it in a zigzag motion. I just ordered a zigzag scissors on AliExpress. It hasn't come yet, so I'm going to be using my normal small scissors. So I'm going to do this. As you can see, the lace is so soft, so I'm sure it's going to blend perfectly well on my skin. I don't have a lace tint at this moment, so I'm going to be going in with my foundation and blending it and applying it on the lace. You can see that the wig sits so well, like, see, it sits and it blends so well to my skin. So I'm going to be using Love Beauty. I just bought this for like sample, but I need to buy like a full set because the glue is really good. So after I finished uni, I went to like upgrade for wigging, installation. That was also where I learned how to style bridal hair. I started going on YouTube, researching. I also take classes, like online classes, of people that are way further than me, which is very important. It's one thing with skill or handwork is you can't just start and you believe you are going to go further than people that have been here before you, because it takes a lot of process for you to even be close to where they are. It's a lot of practice, a lot of training, sleepless nights. There are some days I don't even sleep till like 4 a.m. And the good thing is I really like what I do, although it's a bit stressful, but I really like what I do. But if you're a kind of person that you're just doing what you're doing just because you're bored or without any other option, I don't think you'll enjoy it as much as if you really like what you're doing, or if you really have interest in whatever you are doing. Because one, for me, I think why I got into hairstyling is because I learned how to style my hair myself. Even closure, like if you cannot even imagine how much I have made from closure ventilation, and it just started like that. I've made quite a lot of money from closure making / ventilation. If you are interested in that kind of thing, my channel here, I have so many videos on that, so just like explore. As you can see, this is already a little bit clear, but I'm going to be adding it here so it can be more even, because if you have a white strategy like this and you pull your lace, most times it doesn't dry clear after that. So most times, almost all the time. So yeah. I like pressing it so that it can sit in. God, I see now it blends my skin. You have to make sure that the lace is slightly above where the glue is, because I've noticed that sometimes when you place your lace backwards of where the glue is, the glue will still be there and it's so difficult to get the glue off. So what I'm doing now, the parts that I've not properly laid down, I add a little bit of glue, blow dry it, and I place it back. Just make sure everywhere is laid properly and make sure that the glue is not above the lace, because trust me, the installation would look very tacky. And I have my own nails band with my name on it. Guys, this thing is, my head is on fire. Ah! Jesus. Ah. Why does beauty have to be painful? Oh my god. But, ooh, come on. Come on. Come on. Can you see? Ooh. Let me be your hairstylist. You say no. I don't know what to say again. I don't know what to tell you again. No. So I'm going to put in my melt spray. I just sprayed a little bit in the cover. Then I dab it and I put it on the lace. This helps it to spread evenly. And we're done with the installation parts though. I'm going to use my hot comb. Guys, my hot comb got spoiled. I have to get this one. I'm going to let my hair down. Down. Can we take a minute to appreciate the lace? Not the installation, the lace. A good lace means a good install, and that's on. Period. Okay? Get that straight. Because don't forget to put your heat protectant before styling your hair. This is in the highest heat. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to finish up with my TikTok and my Instagram challenge, do my makeup, and I'll come and show you guys the end result with my makeup. Keep on watching, okay? Coming through with the hair and dress slay. Guys, I really like Frontal because it just gives you a perfect face frame and it just makes you look more flawless. And I like the fact that you can style it in a different style. You can do the half up, half down, any style you want. I hope you guys like this video. I changed the style and I went ahead to coil it, which is making it look so flawless. It's bouncy. It just gives it a little bit of volume. It's giving bad girl energy, bad bitch energy, which, you know, I'm here for. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you like this video, please comment down below so I can know what videos to post more. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram at touchofmercy and it's_mercy olofu. Thank you. Bye.